Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you subscribe with my channel, like, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe with my channel, subscribe right now. Let's get started. Basic English grammar, géant Idiomas. You can visit my website www.jeanfidiomas.com.br. Let's get started. This is my dog. That is his dog. These are my shoes. Using these and those. These é plural do this. Those é plural do that. Okay? These plural do this. Those plural do that. Okay? These are my shoes. Okay? Estes são. Okay? My shoes. Esses são, okay, meus sapatos. These are my shoes. Plural. Tá perto. Quando tá longe, those are my shoes. My shoes are next to me. My shoes are next to me. Next to quer dizer perto. Okay, my shoes are next to me quer dizer meus sapatos estão perto de mim. Next to é perto. These are my shoes. Quando tá longe, my shoes are not next to me. Far away. Those are my shoes. Singular, plural. Okay? This, singular. These, plural. Your shoes are in the kitchen. Seus sapatos estão na cozinha. Your shoes are in the kitchen. Those are your shoes. Esses são seus sapatos. Those, longe. Singular, that, plural, those. Okay? My shoes are next to me. These are my shoes. Tá perto de mim. Singular, this, plural, these. Your shoes are in the kitchen. Those are your shoes. Singular, that, plural, those. Let's practice this, these. Okay? Cake is for Jill. Okay? Cake, singular noun. Okay? This, singular. This, plural. This cake is for Jill. Okay? This, zebra is near. This zebra is near. Okay? That, those. Zebras are far away. Zebra far away é longe. Longe é those zebras. Okay? Are far away. Exercise this, these. Cats are young. Plural. These cats are young. That, those. Cat is old. That cat is old. Okay? That, singular, longe. Those, okay? Those, plural, longe. These, singular, perto. These, plural, longe. Let's go. Let's practice this, these. Man is set, is said. Este homem está triste. This man is said. That, those. People are happy. People é pessoas. Pessoas é plural. Those people are happy. Ok? Those people, aquelas pessoas que estão, ok, felizes. Those people are happy. Repeat after me. Those people are happy. If you liked my video, click on a like to support my channel. See you soon for a next video.